In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear responses on Microsoft Forms. If you manage forms regularly, knowing how to efficiently clear out old responses is crucial to keeping your data organized and ensuring you're always working with up-to-date information. So let's dive into it step by step so you can feel confident managing your Microsoft Forms responses. First things first, you'll need to navigate over to Microsoft Forms and sign in. If you haven't yet done this, head over to the Microsoft Forms website and use your credentials to access your Forms dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of all the forms you've created. Take a moment to locate the specific form from which you want to clear the responses. It helps to have your form names well organized or uniquely named to find them easily. Once you've found your desired form, go ahead and click on it to open. This brings you to the form settings where you can view questions, adjust settings, and most importantly for today, view responses. Once inside, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top and click on the Responses tab. This is where all the submitted forms are compiled, offering a snapshot view of the collected data. To delve deeper into the responses, click on View Results. This allows you to see detailed responses from each individual who has filled out your form. Now, if there are specific responses you want to remove, look for the three dots, also known as the ellipsis, which will be located next to each respondent's submission. Clicking on this ellipsis will present a menu where you can select Delete Response. This step is perfect if you only wish to remove selected individual responses rather than clearing the entire batch. For those instances when you want to start fresh by deleting all responses, you'll need to take an extra step. Once you've opened a response, look again for the ellipsis, this time at the bottom right corner of the grayed out response area. By clicking there, you'll get the option to delete all responses. Selecting this will wipe the response data for that form, giving you a clean slate to collect new inputs. Remember, once deleted, responses cannot be recovered, so double check before you opt to clear all data. Keeping your forms and data well maintained not only keeps your work organized, but also ensures accuracy in data reporting and analysis. Practice these steps a couple of times and they'll become second nature. That's all there is to it. Clearing responses on Microsoft Forms is straightforward once you know where to look and what to click on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials like this one.